Okay, Zoe, who's this one from? Who's it from? Who gave it to you?
Who's the man inside? There you go.
Grandpa.
Okay, what do you think it is?
Yeah, you guess. What would you like it to be?
I
What do you like to play?
A doll.
A doll? What else would you do? What do you like to play?
I like to play princess.
Princess? That's not princess.
Ooh, you're gonna like it, I think. What is that?
What do you think? What does it look like? What does it look like?
McDonald's.
What? It's McDonald's?
Look at all that stuff.
Oh.
What do you think?
Do you like to play restaurant?
Yeah.
Do you think that will be helpful?
What is all that?
McDonald's. Oh,
Wow.
look at that. That's cute. Money. Card.
What is this for, do you think?
Telephone.
Listen what it says.
Oh. What?
Hey, that's mine.
Awesome gift. What do you say to your grandma and papa?